Hi, everybody. This is Katie with the Managed Services team here at Planet, and I'm here to update you about this week's Play of the Week. I have some awesome news for our GCC, GCC High, and DoD customers who are using Microsoft Information Protection labels for their documents in SharePoint Online. Microsoft has announced that information protection auto-labeling will now apply to PDF files saved in SharePoint and OneDrive. This is huge because previously the methods to accomplish this were clunky or required a developer. I've implemented auto-labeling for PDFs using the Azure Information Protection client locally to label the files and then sync the labeled files back to SharePoint, or the alternative was to use the Microsoft Graph SDK to apply a label to the files. I'm excited for this feature to roll out since PDFs are used ubiquitously, almost as much as the standard Office document formats. This feature will be rolling out starting in October 2023 to GCC, GCC High, and DoD customers. It is already available for commercial tenants. Thank you for tuning into this week's Play of the Week, and as always, let us or your IT staff know if you have any questions. Thanks again, and have a great week. Bye-bye.